everybody, today I have a very special review for you. First of all, just let me say that this is such a great product. It has helped me tremendously so far. I made the right decision. The best part is that you can reference and ask questions at any time to use this. Order today with confidence, and if you put this information to test for 60 days and you don't see results, and if you feel that this product does not help you, you will receive 100% of your money back. So that basically means that there is nothing to lose. Before purchasing it, I searched to find a discount and I found a huge discount. If you'd like to get the same discount, just visit the link below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.